Well, today we were going to do a service on the Sorento, but Mother Nature had other plans for me. It's all ice. Why?
So I'm going to start my day, go to the gym, get that out of the way. Then I need to go to Walmart and get some stuff to service the Sorento. And then I think I'm going to make a trip to Harbor Freight because there's some tools that I want to get. So take you guys along with me, maybe. I don't know. I don't really like video when I'm in the store, but I have that little action camera. I might try to carry that around with me. What's this thing? You done now? Are you done? Huh? Alright, so this is Pennsylvania weather for you. Yesterday, it was over 60 degrees, and we had a lot of rain. Went to bed last night, it was raining real bad, it was still kind of warm. Wake up this morning, it's 20 degrees, and there's ice on everything, and snow. So, it kind of ruined my plans for working on the Sorento because my wife needs it because the Camaro ain't leaving the driveway right now. I'm gonna go to the gym. It's my mud flaps, they rub. I'm gonna go to the gym, get that out of the way. I need to go get some stuff to service the Sorento. I need to go to Harbor Freight and get some tools. I'm gonna do a little grocery shopping. This is gonna be more of a vlog today unless the roads get cleared up, which right now they're horrible. Winter tires work pretty good on this. This is the first time I really had it out and there's snow all over the road and ice. So now I'm kind of worried because I don't know if Copart's open on Martin Luther King Day. Should I ask when I was there? I'd like to pick up my vehicle on Monday, but you go online to check and it says hours may vary, and it doesn't really say like if they're closed or what's going on. So I'm gonna load up my trailer and stuff, and I guess call them in the morning and see if they're open. I don't I don't know. One thing I really hate about wintertime, and why I like having a beater vehicle, which this isn't it, so I'm like cringing right now. It's 2018. Why are we still using cinders and road salt on the roads? It's like, yeah, I know it gets rid of the snow and stuff, but it just deteriorates your vehicle. It's like, oh yeah, I feel like sandblasting my car today. I mean, like, it just blasts all the paint off. Like, it's why the vehicles rust here. The salt knocks the paint off, and then the road salt actually deteriorates your metal worse. So that's why vehicles rust out up here. It's better to get vehicles that come from the south, but if people take care of their vehicles, you don't have that problem. Or if you buy them brand new, you don't have that problem right away. But here I am driving it in the salt. I'm glad I put those rally armor flaps on, because I'm thinking that's going to help a little bit, just a little bit. It's not going to protect it completely, but it helps it from slinging on the side skirts and the back of the fenders and stuff like that. So I don't know. I just feel like there's something else they could do. Like, I mean, besides heated roads. Heated roads would be ideal, but I know that you would be way too much money, and I know there's no funding to do that, but I don't know. Just got done at Walmart. I'll tell you one thing. The Sorento is not going to know what to do with all these extra ponies in it. It's really not going to make a big difference, but I just felt like putting a filter in it. It's 80,000 miles. Filter's probably fine. I just like K&M filters better. And I like the drop-ins. I don't like the cone style. I used to do the whole cold air intake thing, and the only cold air intake I thought was effective was on my Tiburon, and the intake came out to where the stock air box was and went the whole way down into the bumper. It was right behind the fog light. I can find that effective, but these cold air intakes that are sucking the engine bay air in, I don't feel like are very efficient. Cars have come a long way. All these newer cars, their air boxes are very efficient, and they're very good at drawing the cold air. The ductwork normally runs somewhere where it draws cold air in. So if you're just putting a cone filter on there, you're really not benefiting yourself. I mean, they've done tests on it. You can watch and see. A drop-in filter, I like a lot better. So that's what I'm doing on this. Not that it's gonna, you know, that I'll be scared to turn the traction control off on the Sorento or nothing, but you know what I'm saying. Well, we are going to find out what happens when you wreck an R title, because my buddy that bought, if you go way back in my videos, I have one that says Riced Out Restoration, and if I remember to, I'll put that at the end of this video, the link, or maybe I'll just put it on the screen. I'll put it on the screen here somewhere. You'll see it. Anyway, he was just about to sell it to another buddy of ours, and he asked me for the video link, so I sent him the video link so he could look at it. Just called about it because he was going to go test drive it, and somebody backed into the Civic, and hit the fender, the driver's door, and the rear door. And I told him, I said, dude, they're going to total it. There's no way. It's a 2006 Honda Civic. Did have under 100,000 miles on it. It was like 90, probably. I don't know where he would have been at, 95, 96,000. But, yeah. So, he had full coverage on it, but it should be on the person that backed into him on his insurance, so we'll see how that turns out. I'm curious because I have full coverage on the Camaro and the Sorento, so I want to see how that works out.
About to get some of that good stuff. Cheap!
So nice.
Okay, so we're actually gonna get the Sorento service in. This is a typical woman thing, I believe. I let Ashley borrow this today. Well, I bought it for her, so it's for her. I had well over half a tank. I mean, given most women drive when it's on E, so I can at least be thankful for that.
What? They're gonna unleash the ponies.
Stock filter on this thing wasn't bad. I mean, it's a little dirty, but I think I cleaned it out when I got it. Oh well, I just like putting can-ins and everything. And yes, I'm using a Fram filter because it's a lot easier to put on, and it's new and improved, whatever that means. I don't care. And also, I'm using Quaker State, which a lot of people think that's junk, but if you look in a Kia or a Hyundai manual, Quaker State is actually the recommended oil to use. To me, oil's oil. If it's the right weight and the right type, then it's good. I mean, I don't like to buy the cheap shit like SuperTech that Walmart carries. Like, I might have used it in the past, like if I needed a quart because I had a vehicle that was low on oil or something like that, but I don't use that stuff. I still use a name brand oil, which honestly there's probably nothing different, but that's just my preference. Alright, oil change. Now let's hear that 2.4 liters of fury breathe with that K&N in it. That's what this will sound like. Not. Maybe. I don't know.
Sound like that thing was trying to jump out of the engine bay.
Alright, so exactly 5 quarts is what it took. Looked like it was overfilled. Just started it up right on the line. Perfect. Online it said 4.8 quarts, something like that. 5 quarts in it now. Perfect. Wife rented a movie. I gotta run down the sheets and go pick it up. I guess while I'm there, I'll put gas in it. Gas in it. But it's gonna be the end of this episode. Thank you guys for watching. Go check out some of my other awesome videos, and we'll see you on Monday, I believe. I don't know if I'm putting a video out tomorrow.
I'm sorry. Sorry to disappoint. Monday there will be a video, and it's gonna be awesome. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Peace out!